Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing this cracked stone skull makeup look. To start this look, I used white face paint to sketch out the skull shape. Then I'm filling in the eye sockets with gray face paint. Then I'm going around the outside of the eye socket with black. Then with black eyeshadow, I'm going over the eyelids, darkening the very middle of the eye sockets. For the hollows of the nose, I'm doing an outline in black face paint and then filling that in with gray. For the teeth, I'm using a white face paint. I'm filling in the teeth with white, and I'll use gray to make the lines in between the teeth later on. Now I'm filling in the background of the top section with gray face paint. And using that same color to fill in between the teeth. Then filling in the jaw section, but leaving the mouth hollows open for now. With the dark gray eyeshadow, I'm contouring the forehead and the cheekbones. Then making the area above and below the eye sockets a little bit lighter in color to sort of make it stand out a little bit more and make the hollows look more hollow. Next, I'm using white face paint on a toothbrush and splattering it all over the gray areas. And then doing that same thing with black. This will kind of give it a spotted stone-like texture to it. Then for the crack on the forehead, I'm using black face paint. Here, I'm just creating lines that I think look nice. You want some areas of the line to be thicker and some parts to be very thin. And that will start to create a sort of cracked look. And then sometimes you'll want to make the lines thicker where the lines meet, sort of like in a triangle-like shape. On the right side of my face is where I decided I wanted the bigger crack to be, and I kind of made sort of a circular looking crack as if maybe a rock hit it and cracked it in that one spot. To add more depth to this area and make it look like it's kind of sunken in, I used some dark gray eyeshadow. Then added some of that gray eyeshadow to other spots I wanted it to look raised or indented. Then for the hollows of the mouth, I outlined it in black. Then filled in the very back of the mouth with the black face paint. Then I used the dark gray eyeshadow to create the gum lines above and below the teeth. And then added some white in between them to sort of extend where the teeth would be. Then inside of the hollow, I added a little bit of the gray face paint to create the gums receding into the mouth. Then I used black eyeshadow to fill in the rest of the mouth. This part got cut off, but here you can see a little bit of the shading. Then I used the same gray face paint on my neck and chest area. And then splattered the white and black face paint on like I did on the face. And then I added some gray contact lenses. And that completes this cracked stone skull makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.